It just wouldn't be Christmas without candy.
And this peppermint bark checks all the right boxes.
So good, Santa may come back for second.
I hope not.
Why? I love it when Santa does it.
Because this is good and he'd eat it all.
Oh, I know, that's true. He does love it. Hi, Santa. Okay, so guys, we're making peppermint bark. Everyone loves peppermint bark, right? Okay.
And it's so simple. I mean, basically, this is the ingredients plus some
little
peppermint.
extra.
Yeah, extra.
So we're gonna melt some chocolate first.
I've got, this is semi-sweet chocolate. This is the baker's chocolate. Just broke it up into little pieces so it melts quicker.
And that's 12 ounces.
12 ounces, and then we got this guy here too.
We've got the white chocolate. So, but first we need to melt, and we're gonna know this is really important. It's super easy. This is a double boiler that I've got here. I've just got some lightly steaming water. You don't want it to be a crazy boil. You can go ahead and put that in there.
Okay.
Because you want to just sort of gently melt this, and it's important to cut the chocolate into smaller pieces. Basically what we're doing is we're tempering the chocolate, and if you get it too hot, if it boils, then you may have some issue with it becoming kind of soft after it sets. And you're also going to want to make sure that you not introduce any kind of liquid, any kind of water into this, so don't let that steam over. You could also melt this in the microwave. That's so easy. Or just get another heat-proof bowl and just set it over some simmering water.
Yeah, and I've got the candy canes here that we're gonna bust up and sprinkle on top. I've got about this will equal about a cup once I've crushed them all.
Yeah, and you can eyeball that.
So I'm just putting them in my bag here.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna take, one second, let me get them all in here.
You're gonna find yourself a nice blunt object, to be perfectly blunt.
Exactly. You could use a
hammer.
Or a meat hammer. Is it called a meat hammer?
It's called a mallet.
A meat mallet. And then, but we've got this great big old rolling pin
My marble rolling pin.
That is nice and heavy.
It is.
So all I have to do is do this. Get it in there. Oh, let me get the air out
You
first.
got to be careful. You don't want to turn it into powder, but you do want to leave some chunks.
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna try not to turn it into powder.
It's hard. It's kind of hard not to do that. You just, and if it's got some extra big chunks, who cares?
I love extra big chunks.
I do too.
And you can get out your aggression, your holiday shopping aggression.
I know. So you can see that this is melting very gently. And what you're going to want to do is we've got a baking sheet. You can line it with either, that's a silicone mat, or you can line it with parchment paper. And we're going to chill it because you want it to get chilled so we can add the white chocolate on top of that.
Got it.
Okay, so you're going to finish that. I'm going to let this completely melt.
That's almost melted.
I know, it is. It's got just a little bit longer to go, and then we're going to spread it out on the mat. Okay. So
that looks good.
Yeah,
I think I got these pretty well crushed.
That looks good.
All right.
Okay, so now we got this. Just as soon as it's melted, you want to transfer it over.
Yes.
So now we're going to... I'm just going to do that.
I got it here. I got this.
My hand.
There we go. Get this on here quickly. There we go. Oh, that's nice.
There's some water condensation.
Oh, sure. Careful of that condensation, folks.
Yeah, you don't want to get water in there because that really will make a difference.
Go ahead. Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
So be aware of that when you've got some condensation on the bottom there.
Especially from your
boiler.
double boiling pan. Look at that.
That is beautiful. And we measured this when we made this last time. You're going to make it, just kind of eyeball it. You want it to be pretty thin. And so
it goes about 7 by 11.
Like 7 inches by 11, 8 by 10.
Look at that.
That is
looking lovely.
That is. So that's going to go into the fridge so we can get it started to chill. We're not going to get it completely really rock hard because now we're going to melt this white chocolate.
Yes.
And you want it to be so it'll stick to that chocolate. So we're going to let it go for just about 15 minutes. It does firm up. Firms up pretty quickly. And then we'll add the white chocolate.
All right, into the fridge.
Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. We went ahead. We've got our chocolate out here.
Look at that.
It's nice and chilled. It's not overly chilled. And I went ahead and put my white chocolate in here. Cleaned out my pan. Obviously, make sure you get it nice and clean so you don't get.
Don't mix your chocolate.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. And now I'm going to add some peppermint extract. You want just a little goes a long way with this, so I'm only doing 1/4 of a cup.
Yeah.
Also,
a 1/4 of a teaspoon.
I'm not a quarter of a cup. That would really be a lot, wouldn't it? Wow, it's very pepperminty. This is there's water content in there, and so remember, if you add too much moisture to your chocolate, it's not going to set the way you want it to.
Exactly. Here, I'm going to make sure that this is dry so it doesn't drip onto our chocolate.
Yes, good thinking. Yeah, yeah. Watch that condensation. You don't want that to get into the. Okay, so now.
Got it.
Okay.
And now I'll dump and you spread, okay?
Okay, it's good to work as a team here.
Yeah, because this you got to do quickly.
Yeah. And just it is hot, so it may melt some of that chocolate on below, and you may get a little swirl of chocolate in there. If that happens, like I just did there, don't fret because it's going to be covered with peppermint.
Exactly.
All of the crushed peppermint that Wesley crushed so beautifully. So now try to get this as close to the edge as you can. Oops.
Careful.
I know.
Just got to push. Push. And don't. There we go. There you go.
This is so good.
Watch out, Chris. You stop.
Okay.
You stop. I got this down here.
Okay. So now we've got our lovely crushed candy. Isn't that a game? And we're just going to sprinkle this. Candy Crush. That's it. I never really got into that, but that was such.
I'm just
the rage.
dropping.
I know.
Look at that.
Yeah. And put as little or as much as you want. But the more the merrier, I always say. I mean, it's peppermint bark, for goodness sake. And now we're
gorgeous.
It is.
No matter what you do to this,
you can't mess it up. You really can't mess it up. Okay, so now I think that's
even if your chocolates do swirl just a little bit. It's okay.
It's pretty. It's fine. Okay, so now now this really does need to go in and set in the fridge for a minimum of an hour.
This is the worst part.
Agony, but let it go no less than an hour, and then we get to break it up.
You look like an elf.
You look like Santa.
I knew you were going to say that.
Okay.
All right, let's
get her in.
this.
And here we are.
Yay.
Isn't this so
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Ho, ho, ho.
Look at that.
Okay. So now I can feel it. It's nice and it's hardened up. It's lovely.
That's awesome.
These silicone mats are great. I love them.
I love them too.
I've got a link to them in the blog post and in the description. Look at that.
That's great.
Well, I'm gonna see you later.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Now it's time to break it up. And now you can use your hands, which is no problem. But just get a sharp knife, and there's no right or wrong way to do it.
It is tough.
It is.
Come on, Chris.
Come on.
Oh,
there we go. There we go. And you're going to lose a little of your candy canes along the way, but that's okay.
Yeah,
that's how
fine.
you know it's real deal.
And while he's doing that, so this makes for the perfect Christmas gift.
It makes a great gift, yes.
Look at this. We put it in a little tin, and we got all of our. Look at that. Isn't that adorable?
That's cute. You can, they really do make great gifts. And all right.
Oh yeah, I want to try.
Okay.
Try from the new batch. Ready?
Oh yeah. Okay.
You ready to give it a
I am
whirl?
ready to do this. We can make them smaller,
Cheers.
but why?
Oh,
Jingle bell,
Oh.
jingle.
oh,
That's so good.
that's good. That's delicious.
It's so good. You know what? And obviously you can go to one of our favorite stores in the world, I don't mind saying, Williams Sonoma, and they have those beautiful tins, and you spend a lot of money. Kids love it, adults love it.
That is 1,000,000% Lunar Pro.
Wow.
I know, it's candy.
And he's not even a big peppermint fan.
Yeah, more about that later.
Oh, well, all right. All right, you guys, happy holidays. Ho,
Yeah.
ho, 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 ho. Love the ones you're with. All right, bye, everybody. Merry
Make some
Christmas.
bark. Bark at some bark.